If you're running WordPress on shared hosting right now and your site feels slow, you're probably looking at a move. The problem is most cloud server tutorials assume you already know Linux, Nginx, and SH. And if you don't, they lose you in the first 90 seconds. This tutorial is different. I'm going to walk you through every single step, including the parts that usually get glossed over, and by the end of this video, you'll have a live WordPress site running on a Kamatera cloud server. And it will be fast. Let's go. Go to the link in the description. That takes you to Kamatera's free trial page. You get 30 days of access with up to 100 in server credits. That's enough to fully test a real production server for an entire month. Click Get Started. Fill in your name and email. Add a payment method. They need it on file, but they won't charge you during the trial. And you're in. Once you're in the console, click Create Server. For a standard WordPress blog or small business site, here's what I recommend. A server type B, general purpose. Dedicated CPU threads, more consistent performance. vCPU 2 cores, RAM 2 GB, storage 30 GB NVMe SSD, operating system Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS. Data center, pick the one closest to your main audience. Monthly cost for this configuration is around 25. If you're just testing, you can start with the basic plan at $4 a month and scale up later. Click Create Server. Watch the timer. In about 60 seconds, you'll see a green light and your server's IP address. Copy that IP address. You'll need it for the next step. On Mac, open terminal, type PC root your IP IDD res, press enter, type your password when prompted. On Windows, download PutTy's free, enter your IP address, click open and log in with your root credentials. Once you're connected, you'll see the Linux command line. This is your server. You're in. LEM stands for Linux, Engine, MySQL, and PHP. This is the software stack that runs WordPress. Here are the commands. I'll go through them one at a time. First, update your package list. Sudo apt update nn, sudo apt upgrade I, install Nginx, sudo apt install I, install MySQL, sudo apt install MySQL, server-wide secure MySQL, sudo MySQL secure installation, install PHP and required extensions. Sudo apt install pfp, pmpp, masfp, curl vp, dimipsting vp, xml vp, xmop spp, so pp, lepi, zipi, check that Nginx is running, sudo systenctl status Nginx. If you see active running in green, you're good to go. Create a MySQL database for WordPress, sudo misolu rootp. Then run these SQL commands: cr@data WordPress db, cr2 rop user localhost identify by your strong password, grmp averages on WordPress dbb, t2 op user localhost f yosh pr values. Now download WordPress ctg var dollar lugawa sudo http saka WordPress og latest tar. Gizi sudo tar xf latest tar. Gizi sudo mp WordPress your domain. Come set correct permissions. Sudo chon arbu data var your domain. Com sudo chmod r755 your domain. Com set up your Nginx server block and create a config file for your domain, point it to your WordPress folder and enable it. I'll link the full config file in the description so you can copy paste it. Restart Nginx, sudo systenctl restart Nginx. Go to your server's IP in a browser. You should see the WordPress setup screen. First, point your domain to your Kamatera server IP. Go to your domain registrar's DNS settings and update the A record. Once that propagates, are usually 5 to 30 minutes. Install certbot, sudo apt install certbot python 3. Certbot Nginx OI run certbot, sudo certbot Nginx d your domain, com dww your domain, com follow the prompts. Certbot will automatically configure HTTPS in Nginx. Your site is now secure. The certificate renews automatically. You never have to think about it again. If you haven't already, go to your domain registrar, Namekeep, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, wherever you bought your domain. Go to DNS settings, add an A record host value UR, Kamatera VR IP TTL auto, add a second A record host WW value. Yawa Kamatera's val IP save. Wait for propagation. Type your domain into a browser. Your WordPress site should load over HTTPS. I tested the freshly installed WordPress site using Google PageSpeed Insights. Without any additional optimization, mobile score 79, desktop score 88. Time to first byte 0.3 seconds. After installing a caching plugin and optimizing images, mobile score 91, desktop score 96. That's significantly faster than the shared hosting averages I typically see. And you did all of this in under 30 minutes on a server that starts at $4 a month with a 30-day free trial to get you started. The trial link is in the description. Go try it. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this video. Subscribe for more honest cloud hosting tutorials. See you in the next one.